Hello students, welcome to my channel. I am Shubha Chakraborty, Professor of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science in the Department of Computer Application and Science. Today we are here to discuss about the COCOMO model calculation. First of all, we have to know why we should use COCOMO. COCOMO calculation needed to calculate the cost of the project and the time of development. Before calculating the COCOMO model, we have to know how many types of project we can found in software engineering. There are three types of project: organic, semi-detached and embedded. Organic project means it is a very small project and the line of code will be lesser than 1.5 lakhs. Semi-detached projects are bigger than organic project. Embedded projects are biggest project in software engineering. Embedded means we are including externally other software or hardware in our project. We have to know this table for COCOMO calculation. In this table, there are different value present for different projects. We are going to use this value to calculate the effort and time of development of our project. Now the formula. First we have to calculate the effort. We can identify effort by E. The formula of effort is A into KLOC to the power B, and the metric we can use, that is per month. The full form of KLOC is kilo line of code. KLOC is equals to 1000 LOC. Next we have to calculate the time of development. The time of development identified by TDEV, and the formula is C into effort to the power D, and the metric we are using here is month. For calculation of TDEV, month will be not in fraction. If there is any fraction, then add 1 month with the actual month. Suppose the calculated month is 5.2, then we will going to take 6 months for calculation. Now finally cost calculation. Cost equal to TDEV into cost of resource per month. The metric of cost depend on the given problem. If it is not given, you can use unit. Cost of resource per month means the multiplication of number of resources we are using per month and the cost of the resources per month. Now it is time to take an example and implement the COCOMO model. In this example, company are using 1,50,000 LOC. They hired 5 developers and the salary of that 5 developer is 15,000 per month. So we have to calculate the cost of the project and the estimated time to develop this project. This project is already declared as organic. First we have to convert LOC to KLOC. 1,50,000 LOC means 150 KLOC. Now we have to calculate the effort. Effort is equals to 2.5 into KLOC to the power 1.05. So KLOC is 150, so 2.4 into 150 to the power 1.05, and the result is 462.49 pm. Now we have to calculate the TDEV. TDEV is equals to 2.5 into effort to the power 0.38. That means 2.5 into 462.49 to the power 0.38. And the result is 25.74. We know the month cannot be in fraction, so the value is 26 months. Now it is time for cost calculation. Company had hired 5 developers and each of the developer's salary is 15,000. So per month salary of the developer will be 75,000 and the time of the development is 26. So the cost of the project will be 19,50,000 rupees. I think you have got a clear idea about calculating COCOMO model. For more learning video, subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, like, share and comment on this video. Thank you for watching my video. It is Shubho signing off today.